Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you need some more organization in your home? Well, if you need to organize your weights so they're not all over the place, you definitely need a great weight rack. This is from FUTASSI, and I am absolutely in love with how much cleaner and neater that my space looks with this rack. The rack was really easy to put together. It took me maybe about 45 minutes. You definitely do not need two people, although it might have made it a little bit easier. Adjustable, so that if you wanted a bit shorter shelf on the top, you could adjust that, and you can adjust where you actually have your weights. But also, it gives you brackets so that you can hold this to the wall. Now, what's really nice is sometimes you might mount something to the wall and feel like you can never move it again, but they actually included zip ties that are completely adjustable and reusable. So I thought that was a really thoughtful feature that makes it easy to move this rack if I need to. The rack has so much storage, and it does hold 170 to 180 pounds. If you mount it to the wall, you will never doubt that it will hold that much weight, because right now I have over 100 pounds, and every time that I'm grabbing and putting back weights, I feel no movement at all with the rack, and it feels nice and sturdy. So I'm really impressed that it will hold my mats. It holds all of my stretchy bands, my weights. It really has enough storage for everything, and I can even include my workout hat. So how awesome is this that I can keep everything organized? I really feel like it's a sturdy, really well-made rack. It doesn't take up a ton of space, but how much it holds is unbelievable, and it feels nice and sturdy, making my room just feels so organized. I'm super happy with it, but that's just my point of view.